I have run across thousands of faceless channels throughout my time learning YouTube, and I have come up with a niche analysis system to run them through. Here's what blew my mind. Recently, there are some monetized faceless channels that are lazy short slideshow edits, or 2-hour long AI generated videos pulling in $20,000 to $50,000 a month in passive income, while the creators are probably asleep. And yes, even with the new YouTube repetitious policy update that I talked about in one of my last videos, all these channels I'm about to talk about today are safe. In today's video, I'm going to rank these channels based on how easy they are to copy, how under the radar they are, and how fat the paychecks are. So check these out before everyone else starts flooding in and making this stuff. Number 10 on the list, we have Rubber Duck Mayhem. This channel has made between $5,000 and $15,000 in 2 months from driving over dollar store toys. Every crunch is oddly satisfying and every view is money in the bank. This is a C tier. It still beats folding clothes for minimum wage though. I call this next one the Everything Explained in MS Paint niche. 15 million monthly views with $10,000 to $40,000 in monthly revenue. Built on the simplest MS Paint slideshows explaining random topics. Anyone can do it or outsource it to a basic editor to edit while they sip margaritas on a beach in Bali. This is B tier. It's got massive upside for low skill. Number 3, we have this Crash Test Gamer channel. This creator pulls in up to $150,000 recreating car crashes in a $20 game. They spend maybe an hour a day filming wrecks in slow motion or having another person do it, and YouTube treats it like true crime for car nerds. Students are drowning in debt, and this guy's out here buying houses with ragdoll physics. This is a B tier moneymaker. Low effort, high dopamine. Number 7, we have Steroids Exposed. This guy gets 700,000 monthly views and makes $2,000 to $3,000 a month gossiping about fitness influencers. Same easy slideshow style and MS Paint stick figures, but just about fitness creators. Seriously, any niche can print with these MS Paint styles if you just pique people's curiosity. B tier and scalable. Next up, we have the Gaming Footage Life Coach. This creator pulls in $15,000 a month just by talking over gaming clips. Yep, literally just first-person footage and a calming voice dropping life advice or motivational stuff like, don't chase people, chase purpose, stuff like that. The gaming footage keeps people watching like iGlue. The advice feels deep, even if it's obvious. It's just a vibe that feels like it's an old friend telling you stories or giving you advice while playing games. This is a solid B tier. Zero camera time, monetizing a hobby, and some actual good life lessons, so the CPM might be a little bit higher than regular brain rot. Plus, you feel gratified doing it. You just got to actually create a personality with a voice or borrow one from a voiceover artist or an AI voice that has one. Quick reminder, I found these by researching thousands of faceless channels and I'm sharing them for free. So maybe subscribe if you like it and get more of these for free. Back to the list. HOA Meltdown Theater. This channel is banking $10,000 to $20,000 every month by telling AI generated stories of homeowners getting revenge on their homeowners associations. For the viewers of this channel, it's therapy in video form. Angry watchers project their drama onto Karen from the HOA, and the channel cashes out every time that she gets roasted. Welcome to A tier. The pettier, the better. Number 4, Visa Wizard. 1 month, 1 million views, just explaining immigration paperwork. Viewers are not watching for fun. People are scared and they're panicking about getting kicked out of a country. It's dry, but it's in demand. This one, also A tier. It's wild how videos about government forums are more profitable than travel vlogs. Number 3, Hidden Library. This channel has gotten 260,000 views and $1,000 in the last month. The scripts are a cross between history, mystery, alchemy, and science fiction, combining stock footage and AI-generated mysterious images with different effects and overlays and wizard-like narration and captions. Simple to make, but endlessly intriguing. A tier for mystery niches. Number 2, Boring History. This channel pulls in $50,000 a month with 2-hour videos of AI-generated historical images and a hyper-realistic AI narrator retelling history stories. About 20 minutes in, the screen fades to black, turning it into passive content for people to fall asleep to. There's a soft, glowing ember overlay over the footage at first, giving it just enough visual warmth to feel cozy without being distracting. The genius is that this format can easily be applied and has been applied to psychology, space, and philosophy niches. Anything that people want to feel smarter about while dozing off. This is definitely A tier. Low churn, easy production, and high watch time since people are literally falling asleep to it. And the people that care about history are probably older with a higher buying power, so their CPM might be higher as well, which makes sense that they're able to generate $50,000 a month right now. Finally, number one, we have American Brain Cell Meltdown. This channel right here is making $5,000 to $10,000 in 1 month just from screenshots of Americans saying dumb stuff online. That's paying someone's rent, groceries, and more. Minimal commentary, maximum ego boost for viewers. This one right here is S tier. This is that guilty pleasure niche that prints cash. And again, this channel is literally just about 1 month old. 6 months from now, you're going to either be the one uploading these videos or watching them and wishing that you had. If you're thinking about making a Faceless channel, mix up these formats with your own flavor. Swap Americans for boomers. Swap fitness influencers for some group of influencers you can't stop gossiping about. And you can swap HOA for Australian landlords. Don't clone. Remix, level up, and make it yours and steal like an artist. Every YouTuber does it, and that's how the platform works. The algorithm will punish hesitation, but it will reward action. That's why momentum and uploading consistently is so important. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to get in before it's too crowded. If you want to take the next steps, the first thing you can do, which is free, is grab my viral video cheat sheet, which is linked in the description below. It's the exact strategy I used to get monetized from my very first upload on this channel. I got monetized with my very first video, and at the time, this channel was also a Faceless channel, and I researched and find a niche that was brand new to everyone else, which was making money with AI and automation. And that's still what I teach people how to do. You can either DM me on Instagram or Discord, which are links below in the description if you're serious about getting more help. Drop a comment below, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and click here to watch the next video.